In the ever-evolving landscape of coffee culture, where each sip is a journey of flavor, texture, and indulgence, the Maestri House Rechargeable Milk Frother emerges as a game-changer. This handheld electric foam maker isn't just a gadget, it's a portal to a world of rich, velvety froth that transforms your everyday beverages into a delightful experience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Why this compact wonder is a must-have for every coffee enthusiast. Effortless elegance with one-button operation. Imagine a milk frother so intuitive that a single press sets it into a whirlwind of frothing magic, and another press gracefully brings it to a stop. The Maestri House Rechargeable Milk Frother introduces a one-button operated design, simplifying your frothing experience. Place the whisk into your milk or liquid, press the button, and let the enchantment unfold. Effortlessly clean by placing the mixing head in water or soapy water, and let the Eddy water current do the rest. USB-C rechargeable brilliance for prolonged performance. Bid farewell to the hassle of battery replacements. This rechargeable milk frother boasts a built-in 2000 mAh lithium battery, ensuring prolonged use without the need for frequent battery changes. A mere 3-hour charge using the included USB-C charging cable provides a remarkable 2 to 3 months of frothing delight. The convenience extends to the charging process itself, with a slow white light flash during charging and an automatic turn-off after a full charge. Rapid frothing with turbo power. For those who savor the morning rush with a cup of coffee, speed is of the essence. The Maestri House Frother, equipped with a high-powered turbo engine, transforms your liquid into smooth, creamy froth in a mere 15 seconds. It's the perfect companion for busy mornings, ensuring you never compromise on the luxuriousness of your coffee ritual. Stylish, compact, and versatile, step into the world of style with the Maestri House Frother. Its compact and portable design allows you to enjoy the luxury of filthy lattes, matcha, cappuccinos, and hot chocolate wherever you go. Beyond coffee, this versatile frother effortlessly blends medications and powdered supplements into your beverages, making it a multifunctional addition to your daily routine. Effortless cleaning and storage. Cleaning up after your frothing adventure is as easy as the frothing itself. With 2 interchangeable frothing whisks and an easy-to-remove attachment, maintaining hygiene is a breeze. Place the whisk in water to wash it, and for storage, the compact stainless steel stand ensures accessibility and an organized countertop. Why you need the Maestri House Rechargeable Milk Frother. One-button operation. Effortlessly start and stop frothing with a single press. USB-C rechargeable. Enjoy long-lasting frothing without the need for frequent battery changes. Rapid frothing. Turbo-powered engine for smooth and creamy froth in 15 seconds. Stylish and compact. Elevate your coffee experience with a sleek and portable design. Effortless cleaning. Easy-to-clean design with interchangeable frothing whisks and a compact stand for organized storage. The Maestri House Rechargeable Milk Frother isn't just a device, it's a conduit to a world of luxurious froth, ensuring every sip is an indulgent experience. Click the link below to make this frother a cherished part of your coffee journey. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.